Hey there! Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make a super quick but cute Mother's Day card. All you will need for this project is Mod Podge. You could also use Elmer's glue. If you don't have Mod Podge, that'll work just fine. I have a pencil and eraser here, a marker, doesn't have to be any kind of fancy marker, and then some pressed flowers. You'll also want a paintbrush, like an old nasty paintbrush. First thing we're going to do is take the Mod Podge and glue these flowers on. Doesn't take much. Make sure if it's a thicker flower, you get the thicker part glued also very well. And then we're just gonna arrange them, you know. Nothing specific. So this petal kind of just broke off, but I'm just gonna glue it back on. Not really noticeable. All right, so now once you have all your flowers on, you can put your lid back on the Mod Podge. You can always touch up later if once this is dry, stuff is kind of still moving around. So now we're just gonna write out our little message on here. Gonna do it up here. And then I'm gonna put the day down here. And we'll try to do some really big like that. So once you have like your whole layout ready, you can erase stuff if you need to. I think I'm gonna drop that down a little bit, but I'll do that with my marker. You can also get like a ruler, put it here to make sure you have a straight line. I'm just doing this really quick, so I'm gonna have it right about here. Once you have all the letters done, you can snip off any extra on the sides, like that. Make sure you have everything erased once your marker is all the way dry. now this is optional, but I'm just gonna add in some leaves with the marker. So I might go right here and just add in a leaf like that. Or maybe a leaf right here.
Alright, and then you are all finished. You could dress these words up a little bit more if you wanted, but I am just going to leave it like this, and that is a really super quick way to make a really cute and nice Mother's Day card. If any of these start popping up at all, you can just go back through and kind of go around the edges with some more of the Mod Podge just to make sure they're secure. But other than that, you are all set for Mother's Day.
Alright, you guys, so here is how it turned out. Super simple and fun. Your mom will love it. She'll be so surprised. Like, look how pretty that is. It's just so simple, but the real flowers on there just make it pop. So I hope you guys enjoyed this project video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you soon for the next video. And happy Mother's Day.